Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Kscraft project share for you today. If you watched my previous video, I had shared the bunny box. I used a teddy bear box from the November release, and I transformed it to a bunny box. So it wasn't decorated the last time. So here's what I came up with. Just decided to use some stuff also from my stash. This is a bow die set from, I think it was Sally. This was gifted to me by Sally in a Happy Mail. I also decorated the front of the bunny box. I used that trim again from Ebony, who is the Rosette Guru. I also pulled some of these felted flowers out I got from, gosh, I don't even know where I got them from, but they're from in my stash. And then there's also these Easter eggs that I had in my stash. They're Walmart table scatters. I don't know if you see that. So here's one. It's a pink egg, and then there's a purple polka dotted egg in the background. And I pulled out one of my rosettes from my stash, also from Ebony, the Rosette Guru. The bunny is another piece from, I believe this one is from Walmart. Let me see. I might be wrong, but yeah, this is my Easter stash. So let me pull the bunny out. Looks like that. It's glitter on one side. I believe this is Walmart table scatter. I might be wrong, but whatever. But anyway, that's what I did. I finished decorating my box. I also cut out the what is this called? Memodex cards. That was from the December 2024 release. It's the I can't think, guys. Anyway, Memdex. This is what I came up with. Again, using that same paper pad that I got from a D-stash from Louisa. I created a pocket using one of the layering pieces in here. It also comes with the paper clip. So let me I just put this away. This is what the paper clip die looks like. And it comes with a heart to layer on top. And then they have, oh my gosh, 3 layering pieces. Actually, there's 4, but one of them is the scallop. Oh my gosh. Sorry for all the crinkling. But yeah, there you go. This one has the scallop edge and the stitch, faux stitch on there. The others are just nesting sizes. So they just, ooh girl, get together. There you go. So you got 3 nesting sizes with the faux stitching detail on there. I used the smallest one for my card to go into the pocket. So this is the smallest. And this is the paper clip, which I double layered on the cardstock. And then I raised up the heart, the layering piece for the heart, on some foam for both sides, front and back. So that way it looks good on the front and the back. And then the pocket, I used the second largest. So the first one is the card. That's what I used it for. And the second one is the pocket. Okay. So yeah, I created like 3. I just made 3 Memdex cards. They're very blank, so I will be able to decorate these on the live with Ebony when we go live on Tuesday and Thursday on our channel. This is the second one. And I just used the same paper collection that I used on the bunny box. The back is blank. And then this one got some stripes going on. And you can journal or write on the backs of it. And you can also add your sticker on the back. So yeah, I love how these little mem decks came out. And you can embellish them further. Like I said, I'll do that on the live when I go live with Ebony. And look at how much space there is. So even if I layered up these memory decks cards, I have a lot of room inside, or I can have more memory decks cards in there. And I thought it was perfect. It looks so cute. This is what she looks like. Actually, let me switch this with this one. Okay. So yeah, guys, these are all Kscraft dies. I just modified the teddy bear box, literally, by just changing the head. Cut off the ears because the ears were poking out. I tilted the bunny's head a little off to the side, just like, I don't know, give it some character. I think it's cute. I hope you guys give it a try. It's a good way to store some Easter memory decks cards if you guys do that kind of stuff. So that's what it's going to be. And I hope you guys join us on our Tuesday, Thursday lives. We also do a live on Sunday with Them Crafty Girls. So follow us on Instagram with Them Crafty Girls to know who's hosting for each Saturday, because we rotate for each for each Sunday. There's 4 of us, so it'll rotate from channel to channel, and that way each of us get exposure for our YouTube channels. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow. I'm trying to grow my channel, at least get it to 5,000 by the end of 2025. And if you're while you're subscribing, go ahead and hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video like this, or when I go live here on my channel. I also go live on Wednesday, which we recently started on Louisa's channel, Junk Journal Wednesdays. If you missed out on that, go check out her channel for the replays, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.